Carissa is a shrub native to tropical and southern Africa. It is commonly known as natal plum, and in South Africa, the large num-num. Dwarf natal plum is an evergreen ground cover that is known for its attractive foliage, flowers, and fruits. This dense, spreading plant will reach a height of only 12 to 18 inches. Carissa Emerald Blanket has a small, leathery, oval leaves that are dark green in color and accompanied by sharp spines about 1.5 inches long. White, star-shaped flowers that are 2 inches wide appear throughout the plant in the spring. The fragrant flowers are solitary and have overlapping petals. Bright red fruits are about 2 inches long and ripen throughout the year. There are plum-shaped berries occasionally used for jellies and preserves. Twigs bleed a milky sap when they are injured. Since Emerald Blanket is a dwarf cultivar of Carissa, you won't have to worry about it throwing shade on nearby plants. Emerald Blanket doesn't ask for much either. These beauties are drought tolerant once established and thrive in full sun to part sun. They're salt tolerant and suitable for xeriscaping too. Other than that, their content being fertilized just 3 times a year with granular fertilizer, and happiest if you let them dry out between waterings. You can skip the haircuts, they'll endure an occasional shaping only if you insist. Good companion plant suggestions for Carissa are Juniper, Knockout Rose, Orange Bird of Paradise, Norgrant and Super King Exora, and Dwarf Bottlebrush. Numerous Carissa plants have been employed and utilized in traditional medicine for various ailments, such as headache, chest complaints, edema, gonorrhea, syphilis, and rabies. They have also been used as a remedy for fever, sickle cell, anemia, cough, ulcer, toothache, and worm infestation.